Thinking of investing in Africa? You're not alone. Big investors are already moving in, and they're not just donating, they're making money. So how can you do the same? Africa is no longer just an emerging market. It's the next frontier for serious profit. With over 1.4 billion people, a growing middle class, and booming digital access, the opportunities are everywhere. The real question is, are you ready to take advantage? Let's break it down. First, why Africa? Because the continent is full of untapped potential. It holds 60% of the world's uncultivated arable land. It has the youngest population on the planet. And mobile internet usage is growing faster than almost anywhere else in the world. That means more consumers, more innovation, and more room to scale. Now, let's talk about where to invest. Sector 1, Fintech. In places like Kenya, mobile money services like M-Pesa have transformed the economy. Millions of people use their phones to send money, pay bills, and access credit. Startups in Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa are growing fast and attracting major global funding. You can get in early by backing these ventures or investing through emerging market funds that focus on financial technology. Sector 2, Agriculture. Africa isn't just feeding itself, it's feeding the world. With modern agri-tech tools, small farmers are becoming major players. Platforms are popping up that link farmers directly with buyers, improve supply chains, and increase crop yields. If you invest in these systems, you're investing in food security and scalable returns. Sector 3, Infrastructure and Real Estate. As cities grow, so does demand for homes, roads, ports, and power. Urbanization is creating a massive need for development. Investing in real estate projects or infrastructure bonds can offer long-term and stable profits, especially in high-growth zones like Kigali, Lagos, or Accra. So, how do you actually invest? Option 1, through African-focused ETFs and mutual funds. These allow you to invest in a basket of companies operating across the continent, reducing your risk while gaining exposure to growth. Option 2, venture capital platforms. If you want higher risk and higher reward, you can invest in startups through networks like VC4A or the Africa Business Angels Network. Minimum entry is often affordable, and the upside can be big if you pick the right company. Option 3, direct investment. Whether it's buying property, launching a joint venture, or backing a local business, working with trusted local partners is key. Always verify land rights, legal protections, and government incentives before putting in your money. Of course, there are risks. Political instability, currency fluctuations, and inconsistent regulation can create uncertainty. But these risks can be managed. Diversify your investments across countries and sectors. Work with experienced advisors. And always do your due diligence. Now let's look at some real results. Flutterwave, a Nigerian fintech, grew from a small payment processor into a billion-dollar company. In agriculture, companies like Twiga Foods in Kenya are building supply chains that support thousands of farmers. In real estate, Rwanda's government-backed projects have attracted millions in foreign investment with solid returns. This isn't just theory. This is profit in action. So, what's your move? Africa is growing, the window is open, and those who get in early could see exponential returns. If you want to grow your portfolio and be part of the future, start exploring Africa now. Don't just invest in what's familiar. Invest in what's coming. Want more global strategies like this? Follow for more. Your next opportunity might be just one idea away.